Plucharm was founded in 2012 to pursue a dream of divinely human perfection, and in less than a decade this dream has become reality for millions of women all over the world, consolidating Plucharm's reputation as one of the biggest manufacturer and exporter of human hair products in China. Now leveraging a growing team of over 100 professionals, we are rapidly widening our range of hair products to provide any standard or customizable hair solution to meet our domestic and global customers' demand for product variety and budget flexibility. Putting quality, usability and durability first, we are serving now every corner of the planet, delivering within days all kinds of 100% Chinese human hair extensions, such as clip-in hair extensions, pre-bonded hairs, tape hair extensions, flip-in hair extensions, ponytails, hair bulks, hand-tied wefts, and color rings. By offering top-quality, luxurious and comfortable hair products in the most professional and sustainable way, Plucharm's mission remains one: to beautify every moment of a woman's life, offering the unmissable chance to decide where, when, and how to express their irresistible allure, their self-assertive charm, their most beautiful self.